cute. And the other trick is to rub their head. We've got a couple of nurses.
So we can actually do that now, because upstairs they're like, don't, if you do that too much, it'll stimulate them. And
No, he can. He's a big boy now. Little scalp massage.
He's all, oh, okay.
And he might not have to burp, but it's always good to go through the motions.
So we get used to it. Oops, we got a soft spot.
He is out.
Oh,
Oh,
let's get
there's
the third
that.
pet on his back. Get him good. So I like to scalp massage. Oh, take it easy.
So he took 5 cc's, not bad at all.
No, that's pretty good.
Yeah.
Okay. Now you're just gonna say it.
Wait a minute, I have a question. Are you gonna eat Dad now?
It's okay, little guy.
You decided you were still hungry? Is that what you want? You're rooting on Dad. Is Dad delicious?
Oh, that should taste like girl.